All right, so this is Splenda Zero Calorie Sweetener Magic Baker Edition. I got this because I'm always looking for ways to watch my sugar intake so my sugar levels won't fluctuate. So this Splenda, it's pretty much like normal granulated sugars. You can do a 1-to-1 match. Let's just say if I needed a 1 cup of sugar, I can use 1 cup of this particular sweetener, okay? This one is 16 ounces or 454 grams. The taste and texture is just like sugar. This is my second bag and I have to agree. It also browns like sugar. On the back, it'll tell you the actual nutrition facts. It's 0 calories. Serving size is 2 teaspoons. The total carbs are 8 grams. As you can see at the bottom, there's also an expiration date, so take note of that so you can use it by the expiration date. Here is the sweetener conversion. So it's, like I said, it's a 1-to-1 match. So whatever you would use in your regular sugar, you would use in the Splenda. So here is a tab. You can easily open it. And what I also like about this is that there is a resealable package. Okay, so it can keep its freshness longer. I am just going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to take my spoon. Looks just like the regular sugar. Okay. When you get done, you just Ziploc it back up, put it in a cool, dry place, and it should be great until the expiration date. And make sure you don't get it in a moist environment because I have seen my old bag, like the little bit that's left, it crystallizes just a little bit. So make sure it's a dry place.